Hey, this is an AI PD Publishing Bonanza review. That is AI Public Domain Publishing Bonanza review and bonus. So today we're going to go ahead and go through this. I was actually pretty blown away with the information that's inside. As you probably know, we do a lot of publishing, a lot of AI publishing, a lot of pretty much everything publishing. And there was a little bit of a twist here that we have not seen before. And so we were pretty excited about it. So we're going to go ahead and go through the sales page. I'm going to show you the bonuses that I'm giving that's exclusive bonus because nobody else has it, because I created it, and we'll go ahead and show you what you get. It's actually a multitude of information, and they give you a free app as well that gives you 50 uses per month on top of the training course, which is pretty exciting. We'll go ahead and dive into that, and let's go ahead and look at it. So if you pick up AI PD Publishing Bonanza through my link, first of all, we'll go ahead and jump into the bonuses. So you will be able to get access to my Midjourney Millions training course, as well as lifetime access to my prompt creator software, where you will be able to do quick and easy base prompts as well as bulk prompts for creating coloring pages in any detail that you want. So you can do one of 50 different styles, or you can go ahead and create coloring books for toddlers, children, teens, adults, seniors. You'll be able to create coloring books for all types of animals or vehicles or patterns and designs. And if you pick an animal, you'll be able to do all of the different breeds of that animal, and you'll be able to have them doing things, and small eyes or big eyes, what kind of background you want. And so you can either copy the prompt, or you can go ahead and get a bulk prompt and get all of the prompts ready for you to go. You'll get lifetime access to my extension, plus you'll get access to my Midjourney Millions course, where we teach you how to be able to go ahead and create millions of Midjourney images per year, where you can use them to create children's books or coloring books. But this one specifically shows you how to create coloring books quickly with high detail, faster, and closer to the prompt that you are looking at, so that you can go ahead and make good money from coloring books, as well as public domain publishing. That is going to be up here in the review. So we'll go ahead and go through the information and show you about it. Plus, we'll show you behind the scenes and what you're going to get, which is pretty impressive. So right here, it's telling you about old tales, new sales, because it is public domain. But one thing that I didn't know is now they're actually opening up new public domain publications every single year, because there was a big court case about 15, 20 years ago that actually unlocked not only the super old stuff, but some stuff that's actually a lot newer as well, that you can take advantage of for your public domain. And there's only a couple of things that you need to do, and they teach you how to do them quickly and easily, so you can start churning out good amounts of public domain books where you can get some good. Now, like I said, also when purchasing this course, you get a free app from them as well. It's called Public Domain Publisher Helper, and basically it's going to allow you to go ahead and put in these public domain books that you want to go ahead and repurpose, and it's going to give you all of the steps and things you need to add to make sure that you fulfill Amazon's requirements for republishing these public domain books. And it's going to give you everything you need inside this app, as well as all of the training that you're. So on the sales page, they show you about different niches that are selling with the classic book section, classic novels, all that kind of good stuff. They basically give you some examples of some public domain books that have been repurposed that are selling lots and lots of copies, which is pretty awesome. They tell you about the KDB facts, all that good stuff, and you can go ahead and check this out yourself if you like. It's got the frequently asked questions, the steps that you need to do for the public domain books, and how the app is going to go ahead and help you out as well. They got a demo of the app here on the page, and you can go ahead and see all of the things that you need. Now, what I love about this is that it's going to start off low. It's almost like a dime sale. It's going to start off low and it's going to go up after the launch. But let me go ahead and show you behind the scenes what you get And there's a wealth of knowledge in here. And like I said, I do a lot of publishing. I actually teach a mastermind weekly on publishing, and we do coloring books, and we do children's books, and we do nonfiction books and all this kind of stuff. And I really haven't seen this angle before. So there was some really good information in here for me, and I do publishing almost full time. Let's go ahead and jump in here and look and see what we get. Now, in the front end purchase, like I said, you get access to the lifetime app that they have to go ahead and help you with these public domain books to almost instantly be able to convert them so that you can start selling them. Now, they do have the video transcripts of all the videos, plus they have PowerPoints with the different videos, which is pretty cool. And then they have the video course itself. So it's an 8-video course for this here. And I went through all of these, and it has some really good information in it. It's really detailed, step-by-step things that you need to do. It's like over the shoulder, watching what you need to do so that you can actually get in there and get it. Now, that's not all you get inside here. So let's go ahead and jump in here. So then we also have the Publishing Domain Helper Bot. So this gives you access to the Publishing Domain Helper Bot where you can get inside and go ahead and use that. So it gives you an access key so that you are able to do your 50 uses per month absolutely free, no charge, and that comes with the purchase of the front end, which is pretty amazing. And then you also have the supplemental materials. So it comes with the master prompts. So not only do you get 50 uses for this app that they created, but if you want to take the master prompt that they created and go ahead and put that inside of, say, Claude or ChatGPT-4, you can take that master prompt, take the same text, and you can go ahead and create the add-ons that you need to be compliant with Amazon and start making royalties. So that is pretty cool. It also has a link to the master public domain resources, and it also has a public domain publishing workflow that shows you step-by-step how to do it. So everybody learns a little bit of different ways. So she has the content here actually laid out in so many different ways so that if you learn different ways, you're able to consume the content a lot of different ways, which is really nice. I like that. And then they also have the bonus module here, which is the powerful public domain checklist. And this one here is pretty big as well. And it gives you a checklist of all the things you can do to be able to make sure that you increase the commissions you get for public domains, which is really nice. So you get all of this information here. You get a lifetime app. Plus, if you decide to purchase through me, you're also going to get my Midjourney Millions training course that shows you how to make coloring books, how to research coloring books, and how to make them quickly and have them more closely to what you are trying to create. Plus, you also get lifetime access to my prompt creator extension, and you can either have it in its own tab or you can have a pop-up here where you'll be able to do a lot of different things. You can generate QR code for your books. You can go ahead and create your prompts here, and it actually has a drop down, and you can either come in here and do the drop down. If you don't like a specific part of the prompt, you can just choose a blank space. And this one here has over 1 million different variations to be able to create coloring books. So this gives you another avenue for revenue and royalties and affiliate commissions if you're going to go ahead and promote something inside your book as well with the QR codes. But you get all of this for one low price. Definitely a no-brainer. I was super excited about the information. I hope you are too. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below this video. But go ahead and purchase. If you do, then you will go ahead and get instant access through. And one thing that I always like to look at before I go ahead and promote a product, I like to see if they have consistent returns on their products. You see here, this is a top 25% vendor, a superstar elite vendor. They also have 28 featured offers here, and they have 8,800 followers, 46,000 sales with a 4-star rating, which is pretty amazing on their 18 products. And they've been doing this since August of 2011. And they do a lot of publishing, which is what we're looking at right now is publishing. So thank you so much for checking us out here today for the AI PD Publishing Bonanza review. on the Passive Cash Stacker channel. I hope that you take advantage of this, and I can't wait to hear your success story. You have a great day.